brilliant team from UCD, and were all sort of my friends when I was in first year 4 years ago. But yeah, I'd just like to introduce them and then wish them the best of luck at it. We've got Cathal, Simon, Ellen, Bella, Alison, Barry, Theo, Dave and Aidan, and I think they'll be a really brilliant team this year.
Back in your arms forever. Oh, I am back to the past endeavors. I imagine I'm the one, you're done with everyone.
Hi, my name's Alison. I am a mate on the boat. I'm in charge of just making sure everything's super organised and a bunch of different ropes in the centre of the boat. Well, and I believe we're going to win this year. Woo! Okay. Hi, I'm Ellen. I'm part of the shore crew for our team this year. On the boat, I study biomedical engineering in UCD.
Yeah, my name is Simon. I'm swimming the main on the boat and I'm studying medicine. I'm going into 4th year in college. Yeah, that's it.
I'm Colin Doyle. I've just graduated from International Business and Law. Head jib trimmer on the boat, and I babysit Dave as a living and Barry when he's been drinking. Looks like he's been drinking for a week.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, go.
Maybe on tape.
Go.
Oh, you video?
Yeah!
It's a video!
I'm in McClaverty, skipper, sugar daddy of the boat, and I'm doing a gap here at the University of Leith.
Currently I'm working on getting Dave a passport and Aidan and Barry passports because they are Mexicans. Different colours.
It only cost $2.
So
I'll buy these up, wild man.
Yeah. So you can see I've got my hands full for the next 4 months because we're doing okay.
I'm Barry. We're both Northerners. We're both Northerners.
Yeah.
We're both
Best friends. Yeah.
best friends. I'm a technical engineer and I'm tactical as well.
I'm 23, single, male, like long walks and ice creams, like girls, bar like girls, and they like us.
My name's Bella Moorhead. I don't even go here.
Alright lads, let's go sailing.